Tanong ni Elsen, which is better to build my emergency fund? Po, sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, sa online banking or sa money market fund, kaya ko lang ipunin every month is 2 to 3,000 pesos. So, ang emergency fund, ang main use niyan, of course, is para meron kang pera na magagamit pag may emergency. Meaning, dapat yung pera mo madali makukuha kapag may emergency. That's why, kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, dapat ang emergency fund mo nasa savings account lang. Okay? So, preferably sa savings account na may ATM para talaga kahit na weekend, pwede mong i-withdraw sa kahit saang ATM or sa ATM na accessible sa'yo. I would advise siguro mga 1 month's worth of your cost of living or necessary expenses nasa savings account na may ATM. Beyond that, pwede mo nang ilagay sa isang digital bank. Yung online banking kasi, ang dating kasi sa kanya, digital bank. Particularly, ito yung mga online banks na walang ATM or hindi ganun kadali mag-withdraw. Kasi kami ng mga digital bank, kailangan mo i-transfer sa isang commercial bank para ma-withdraw yung pera. Otherwise, you can use it for online transactions. But I'm assuming kasi yung emergency in real life, for example, biglang nasira yung bubong mo. So, alangan namang online transaction yung ipambabayad mo dun sa karpintero. Malamang cash ang tinatanggap niyan or maswerte ka na kung may GCash yung karpintero ngayon. But I think meron naman. So, the point is, first 3 months or yung 3 months worth of your monthly expenses should be in a bank account. Pwede yung 1 month nasa isang savings account with ATM access. Yung 2 months nasa isang digital bank or online bank. Beyond 3 months, you can now put it in a money market fund. Siyempre, yung money market fund, it fluctuates in value but it's relatively low risk. So, napakababa ng probability na mag-negative ka dyan. But you have the potential to earn more than the percentage or the interest rate that commercial banks can give. Okay? However, yung mga alam ko kasi money market fund, ang growth rate niyan mga 3-4%, 5% per annum, no? Which is good before na mauso yung mga digital banks. Ngayon kasi yung mga digital banks, they can already give you as much as 5, 6, no, yung ibang at 12, as high as 12%. So, if you're starting, I would say na just keep on putting money sa mga digital banks up to 500,000 pesos. Kasi yun yung covered ng PDIC. So, at the very least, you're protected against the bank closure na hanggang 500,000 pesos. And then, after 500,000 pesos, but I think dapat grabe ang gastos mo kung more than 500,000 pesos yung emergency fund mo. You can now put it dun sa mga commercial banks na mas stable and mas secure. Okay? So, yun yung sagot natin sa iyo, Elsen, na unahin mo yung ilagay yung emergency fund mo sa bangko and then sa digital bank and then sa mga money market fund. Okay?